got here? Ooh, some heavy pipes. I thought they were fence posts at first. Yeah, I forgot to record this one. Just picked up this fridge. Oh, it's been there for a little while. Look. The preponderance of the evidence. The grass is greener where it was laying. So it's been here for a little while. Maybe a couple of days. Surprising. I'm continually amazed. Alrighty, on to the next. Wherever that might be, right? Endless dog walking. People pay more attention to their pets than having kids. In my opinion, it's insane. Nothing wrong with pets, but some rotors. All right, game on. The guy didn't want me filming that when I picked up those doors. There's a definite hoarding house. Like, holy God. There's so much garbage around the guy's house. He was holding on to those doors, but I think he actually realized that they weren't any good anymore after being outside for so long. Plus, I think his neighbors are on him. I don't know, I have to put the window down for some reason to get the door to close. On to the next. Wow, look at that truck. That's a Ford. I'm not really a Ford guy. I think that guy wants $200 for that Dodge right there. I see a hoarding house. Look at that house. Now that's a hoarding house. Wow. Holy crap. See this other hoarding house too. This guy's got air conditioners in his backyard for days. Check this out. There's a scrap pile back there worth thousands of dollars. Alright, on to the next. You're here or to your left. Super paranoid people. Camera posts. Cameras on every post. All four corners. Alright, on to the next. There's another hoarding house. Oh, let me show you the next hoarding house on the next block. You won't believe it. You will not believe it. There is so much crap. These people have so much crap. It's unbelievable. wisdom and a